Hello, my name is Rosanna Pecere and I represent IPA Europe, the European Probiotic Association. Last week, IPA Europe was back again in Rome for the 11th edition of the International Congress Probiotic, Prebiotic and New Food, presenting the European context for probiotic food and food supplements. During the session, organized by the partner organization IPA, several angles were raised from regulatory, scientific and consumer perspective in Europe and worldwide. The conclusion was that there is a clear discrepancy in Europe between the existing science, the expectation of consumers that want correct information on products label, and the lack of conversation on the regulatory aspect. For many years, the European probiotic sector called for concerted action to found a common ground on the use of the term probiotic in Europe. Despite probiotic not being a priority for the European Commission, the use of the term is a reality today in several European countries. 9 countries are allowing the use of the term on the label with the reference to nutritional, physiological effects or as the name of the category. Other countries are considering developing national guidelines. IPA Europe experts are also involved in the scientific debate to set clear criteria to identify probiotic microorganisms in food and food supplements. From the scientific perspective, the study of the microbiome stability is key to understand its relation to health maintenance. Some microorganisms, normally referred to as probiotics, can play an important role to support a balanced gut microbiota. The European Commission itself expressed interest in this field. Probiotics are therefore a sustainable way to maintain health and well-being and can contribute to the European farm-to-fork strategy. There is also another aspect. Today, consumers cannot identify probiotics in food, but other consumer goods sectors, such as cosmetics and cleaning products, are widely communicating on the use of the term probiotic on their advertising. Of course, regulation and safety requirements are not the same, and the messages about food should not be mixed with the messages for other product groups, which is currently the case. To conclude, it appears that an engagement of the European Commission to dialogue with national authorities in order to develop a better context for probiotic in food and food supplement is both necessary and inevitable. This will also meet the consumer expectation to receive appropriate information and correct advertising.